Thinking about starting a hair business but don't know where to begin? Let me show you exactly what comes with my pre-built Shopify hair stores. Hey friend, I'm Terry. I pretty much help women launch hair businesses with no inventory, and this store package gives you everything you need to get started fast. So I'm going to be going over what's included with my pre-built Shopify hair stores. So the first thing included is a fully designed Shopify website. It'll be a clean layout, mobile optimized, and ready to sell. So we will pretty much do all that for you as far as like make the website. It'll come fully designed. You can customize the templates as well. Everything is customizable. And then next we will sync 10 to 20 hair products preloaded on the website. So that is a mixture of bundles, wigs, closures, frontals. It will be all synced, ready to go. And what's next is included is the trusted hair vendors connected. So we do connect you with high quality suppliers already integrated. So there's no need to search for a vendor unless you have your own. But with the pre-built hair stores, we will sync a vendor for you. So after we sync the vendor, we then will work on the product photos and descriptions. So you do get professional images and sales optimized descriptions, and the pictures are from the vendors. We always recommend still to order a sample if you do not get a sample through us, just so you can take your own photos. Always recommend it to brand even more by once you order a wig or bundle, try to take your own photos, but if not, you can use the vendors. Also, we will set up your shipping and policy pages. So that pretty much includes like the refund policy, terms, all that will already be written and customized. So the shipping policy is based off the vendor's policy. And like I said, it is templates you can customize. We will upload a pre-made logo for you with your business name. You can change that. It's editable as well if you don't like the way the name looks on the logo. And then also you can customize the templates. Like I said, you can change a couple of things on the templates as far as like the colors as well. So you do get access to the templates. We also have a bonus free video training or guide. You will get access to these guides depending on which package you get. And pretty much this is for first-time entrepreneurs, mom or students, anyone that don't have any type of tech skills. Or if you're a first-time entrepreneur, everything will be set up for you. So if you're interested in starting your own hair business with no inventory, do click the link in the description. Like I said, no tech skills required. We will handle everything for you so you can focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.